In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Squarespace. If you're looking to enhance your website by adding text to images, you'll find this feature quite useful. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start by opening the page editor on your Squarespace site. Once there, you'll need to locate the insert point on the page where you want your image to appear. These insert points are specific locations on your page where you can add different types of content blocks. After you've identified the correct spot, go ahead and select the image block. This block is designed specifically for inserting images into your page wherever you see fit. Once you've selected the image block, you'll be prompted to upload your image. Choose the desired image file from your computer. It's crucial to ensure that the image is of good quality and size for your specific design needs to maintain the overall aesthetic of your page. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the selected spot on your page. Now let's talk about enabling the caption overlay, which is the exciting part where we get to add text directly over our image. In the settings of your image block, you'll see an option labeled as Caption with a drop-down menu next to it. Here, you'll want to select Caption Overlay on Hover. This feature allows a caption to appear over your image whenever a visitor hovers their cursor over it, creating an interactive and engaging effect. After selecting Caption Overlay on Hover, you'll be given the opportunity to enter your caption text. This could be anything from a brief description of the image, a call to action, or any text that you believe will complement your image. While entering your caption text, consider the tone of your website and ensure the text aligns with your brand's messaging. It's often a good idea to keep the text brief yet informative so that it adds value without overwhelming the viewer. As you update your caption text, try previewing how it appears over your image. This allows you to ensure the text is both visible and aesthetically pleasing. Adjusting the color, size, or style of the caption might be necessary to guarantee that the text stands out just enough against the image background. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully displayed over your image in Squarespace, enhancing the interaction and engagement of your web page effortlessly. With this simple addition, you've successfully turned a static image into a dynamic visual element. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you design with confidence on Squarespace.